Hey beauty babes, welcome to my channel. I'm Maria, aka Agape Love Girl. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've got an unboxing to share with you. Now this is the NoMakeNoLife, very interesting name, subscription box, and this is a Korean and Japanese beauty subscription box. I was reached out to by this brand to see if I would do an unboxing and kind of review on it. This says it's a beauty box containing 8 to 9 items of Korean and Japanese cosmetics plus skincare. It is a $35 box, which is quite a bit of a more expensive price compared to a lot of other makeup or beauty subscription boxes. But as you can see, it is quite a bit of a bigger box. You're getting 8 to 9 items, and I believe they're full-size items, so I did open it up and take a quick peek, but I don't really know what's in there, so this is going to be kind of like a really true unboxing here with you guys, and we will see if it's worth it. But yeah, I'm really excited because Korean beauty tends to be really good. Like their skincare tends to be really good, also very cutesy, and I am a fan, so I'm really excited to get in this box. So I'm gonna quit rambling and we're gonna get into it. I will say that the box looks really cute. I like that it's big and pink. Look at all the little things on it. So cute. So it's packaged like this. All right. So yeah, so far lots of really big items. I do see that this is the August box. It says Ready, Set, Glow. It's got all the information and it's in booklet form, so I'm not going to look at that. I'm going to grab something out and then I will go to the booklet. So the first item I'm seeing is the biggest item in here, and it looks like this. Very cute. This is, it says whipped cream face wash, so that's really interesting. It looks like it's got a cup in here, so it's like this container thing, and there is like everything in here is written in like either Japanese or Korean, I don't know, but it's not in English. So it's this is really interesting. This should make for a very, oh my gosh, it like spins and turns. It looks like this thing will probably be down, and then this can like go up and move around. Obviously I'll probably have to take this stuff out. Let me look at the information and see what this, I mean, I know it says face wash, but let's see. Okay, so this does have a whole page that says exactly what to do and how to use it. Oh my god, it looks like it'll be really cool. I don't know if you can see right here, but it definitely makes kind of like a whipped cream, almost looks like shaving cream kind of face wash. That is really cool. So obviously I'm not going to do this now, but I definitely think that if I do this, I'm going to film the process, and I'll probably put it up for like an Instagram video or something using this because it looks really neat. But it says Momo Uru-Hada, I don't know how to pronounce it, Awapeccino foaming tool and cleansing powder set. Foam cleansers are very gentle and especially great for those with sensitive and acne prone skin. Give the Momo Uru-Hada set a try for a clean and super soft skin. Check out the short tutorial on how to use the Awapeccino foaming tool. So, and that's where it has all this. That's really cute. I'm really excited to give this a go. I feel like this is definitely like Instagram video worthy. So the next biggest thing I'm seeing is this. This is a pretty giant sized product. It says Honey Skincare Face Wash with Natural Fragrance. So I do find it interesting that there are 2 face wash products in here, but I guess the other one is more of like a one-time or maybe 2-time use because there are 2 packets in there. So, and then this one's obviously like a full-on face wash. So this has some English on it. It says enriched with natural honey, gently cleanses while hydrating the skin, keeps skin's natural moisture balance, and leaves skin naturally soft and smooth. And then the rest of the back is in a different language. Let me open this up and see what it smells like. Doesn't really have a scent. I thought maybe it would have some kind of sweet or honey scent, but no real scent. So I'm curious about it. It almost looks lotiony. It's very thick. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I know it's weird because it almost looks like a lotion. Do you see this? I can see why it would be like a very hydrating face wash because literally this is so thick. Very cool. But I am kind of a fan of that because I love cleansers that really foam up. This seems like something that would really foam up because of how thick it is. Okay, now I can smell something. I can't quite place the fragrance, but it's very light and very nice. I like it. Oh, foaming. It is a foaming, it says. Deve or Deve Foaming Facial Cleanser. It says to achieve that natural glow that you need to take care of your skin. In August box comes one of the 4 variations of Deve's face washes. Okay, so here in this little card thing, these are 4 different ones. It looks like there is a honey one, sumi one, moisture, and then rose. Tip, use this face wash in the morning and in the evening, and then key point, face wash with all natural ingredients. Oh, okay, so not much about this, but it has all natural ingredients, so that's really cool. I wish I could see exactly what the ingredients are. Maybe it's something I could look up online, I'm not quite sure, but that's really, really interesting. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is very interesting. This. This says Moist Lip Pack in Mint Chocolate. This is really fun. These are really cute. Okay, so this is Choosy Moist Lip Pack. Give your lips a boost with this Choosy Moist, Choosy Moist Lip Pack in Mint Chocolate or Banana Chocolate. So that's interesting. After scrubbing your lips with ... apply the lip pack for smooth, hydrated lips. So, I don't know, maybe just after exfoliating your lips, you're going to put this on. It says apply this pack for 5 to 30 minutes for the best results. And that these lip packs will make your lips smooth and smell amazing. So, interesting, very, very interesting. Maybe something else for an Instagram video. Alright, so the next thing I'm seeing here is very interesting too. This says Daydream Unicorn 2-way lip and eye gloss. Okay, that's very interesting. I might actually take this out of the packaging and see a lip and eye gloss. It looks like a very, very shimmery, very iridescent-y type kind of gloss. And let me find the information in here just so I can see what this is. So it says Aurora Eye and Lip Topper. Everyone can use some extra glamour in their life. That's why we've included the Aurora Eye and Lip Topper. In your box comes one in silver, purple, or pink. So I got the silver one. It says you can apply a little bit in the middle of your eyelid or lip and fade it out with your finger or a brush. Add a little glamour to your any makeup look with this product. So I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna do a little swatch on the back of my hand. All right, got the package out. It's like a little bit of a weird scent. It almost has like a cherry scent, but like a weird cherry scent. So I'm gonna just swatch it here. I have other stuff there. Let's see. Okay, so it like leaves, I don't know if you could see, it's just a very, very sheer. Maybe I'll just put it on my lips right now. It's a lip product. I don't know how I feel about putting it on my eyes. I know like the glossy lid was a trend for a little bit, but I don't know. I wonder if it would stay glossy looking or just that iridescent shimmer. I'll grab my mirror here. It's very almost like watery in the sense like I put it on and I could feel it like it's not sticky like a gloss. I feel it like almost like the water or it like almost evaporate like. That's interesting. It's kind of just like a little bit of a liquid shimmer. That's pretty much it. Not sticky, not really anything. I did already have a kind of a gloss on, but I could feel like a difference between this and then the gloss. Very interesting. And it's very, very subtle. Like once I blend it out, you can't, I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but there's just like a little bits of speckles of shimmer. It's pretty. Not something I think I would like think to actually purchase or grab myself, or that I think I might use very much, but very interesting to try. Let's check this out. This says, oh, okay, this says it's a Snail essential cream. It says snail secretion filtrate will provide nutrients and elasticity to your skin. That is very weird and interesting though. The back has mostly, oh actually the ingredients are in English. Let's see, some of the ingredients that I recognize. Water, butylene, glycol, glycerin, sodium, acrylates. I don't know. Avocado oil, evening primrose oil, or seed extract. Then down here it says saliva, hispanica, seed extract. Peach, ceramide is one of the very last things. So, oh, and then yeah, let's see, 1, 2, 3. The third to last ingredient says snail secretion. That is so, so weird. So there's actually snail in here. Let me just tell you, I do not like snails or slugs. I don't like worms either, but snails and slugs, I just, oh, so gross. There's something about them so slimy, and then the way that they are, just the texture of them, kind of creeps me out. So it says snail's mucus is a popular ingredient for skincare nowadays. It effectively improves your skin's elasticity. In addition, this cream comes in a convenient spout pouch and includes 10 different kinds of seeds to moisturize your skin. This lightweight spout pouch is perfect to bring on a trip or a sleepover, so that is kind of cool. It's like a little travel-friendly thing. And it says snail extract moisturizes your skin and reduces fine lines. This is kind of insane. I kind of want to open it up and see what it's like, so we're gonna do that. Oh, I'm slightly grossed out. I don't know, even though I just reading it's like, you know, the third to last ingredient, but still. So it doesn't, oh my god, it doesn't have a scent. Really? Okay, let's do this. Ooh, it even comes out feeling like, or looking almost snot-like. Slimy-like. Ooh. Okay, now I smell it, now that it's out more. It's a pleasant scent. I can't quite place what it is. Oh, but it feels nice, actually. It feels really nice. That's interesting. I do like that it has a lot of different seed extract stuff in it. Oh, okay. I definitely want to give this a shot. I want to test this out and see. Even though it makes you wonder, like, how effective can it be when it's like one of the very last ingredients is snail stuff, but still, I'm intrigued. That's really cool. I probably would never have thought to purchase something like this because gross, but I'm intrigued by it. By the way, if you haven't seen already, if you like my makeup look, this is my Juvia's Place, the Queen Palette makeup look. The video is already live. I'll link it if you haven't seen it. I feel like it's appropriate for my Korean beauty box unboxing. Not that this is necessarily like a Korean beauty type of look, but I feel like it's got a little bit of like the Korean beauty vibes to it. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. Anyways, so the next thing we have, it looks like it's probably a face mask. Oh yeah, there's a little picture right here, like a face mask. So this says Choco Mint face mask. I think that's kind of cool. So it's actually kind of correlates with the little lip mask, how it's like chocolate mint. So I'm gonna guess that that's on purpose, that they kind of correlated the scents and stuff like that. The rest of this looks like it is in like Japanese or something, but down here it says dessert mask. So let's find the information on this. I'm not someone who loves sheet masks. I think they're nice every once in a while, but I have a lot of them actually in a drawer, and I often forget to use them, but I will have to make sure that I use this. So Choco Mint face mask. It says Choco Mint is super trendy in Japan, and not only when it comes to food, even sheet masks come in this trendy flavor. That's really cute, and that's kind of cool to find out. Cocoa moisturizes the skin while the mint tightens and refreshes, and top off that, this mask smells amazing. Feel refreshed on a hot summer day with this sheet mask. A unique sheet mask that uses mint to tighten the skin. So that's really cool. I didn't know mint tightens the skin, but that's really, really neat. So got that. Okay, and then I have 2 more products in here, and these are the more cutesy products. So I'm really, really excited to find out what they are. So here it says Lovely Cookie Blusher. So this is a little blush. Look how adorable this is. Okay, it has tape on here, so I'm gonna have to pull that off. You can already see this has like a cute little puff thing. Look how adorable this is. Oh my gosh. So it's got this little bow and this little fluffy little pad, and in here this is a blush. Always smell anything. Kind of smells like, you know what it smells like? It smells like the soap you would get in like a hotel, the hotel soap. That's what this smells like. So that's actually really, really cute. I don't know if I would use it with this little puff, but I'm gonna, oh my gosh, that's so freaking adorable. Let's see. Okay. If I swirl it a little bit, okay, and then, ooh, that's a really light pink color. Probably would not quite work with my skin tone, but I'll give it a shot one of these days. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. So let me read a little bit about this. I love the little packaging. That's freaking adorable. Etude House. Okay, so I fairly familiar with that. Not familiar like as in knowing the products, but like I've heard of that brand. So Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher. Give some color to your face with these adorable blushers from Etude House. The smooth and creamy formula is easy to apply with the fluffy applicator. In your box comes color PK002 Grapefruit Jelly or PK004 Peach something wafer. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm gonna guess this one is grapefruit. I don't see a number on here. Oh no, I do see a number. It's PK002. So yeah, I was right. The grapefruit one, just because I thought this looked like a grapefruit color. What is my hair doing right here? Doing its own thing. Okay, so yeah, I thought this looked like a grapefruit color. That's really, really cute. Okay, and then the last thing is like the cutest thing. It looks like this. I don't know what it is, but it looks adorable. So let's read this and find out. There is little stickers on here. You know what, I just realized that of all this information it doesn't have prices, so I don't really know what the value of this box is, but I think I looked at their website before and I think it could tell you more about the prices. I'm not sure. I would assume so. Oh, I'm just looking at the end here at the very back of the book. It's got horoscopes. So August horoscope, must try face mask this August. Leo, tea tree for clearing and moisturization. Oh, it just kind of tells you what stuff you should use. I love tea tree oil, so that's actually so funny that's because I'm a Leo and that's like the thing for the Leos. How funny. Sagittarius, damask rose for brightening and moisturization. And I'm not going to read all of them, but that's really, really cool. Okay, so anyways, let's get to this little product. So I can see that it's from the brand Tony Moly, which I'm also somewhat familiar with, like just recognizing the name. They are sold in Ulta, and I know that Tony Moly sells a lot of really, really cutesy stuff. Every time I see them in Ulta, either online or in store, I'm always really tempted to buy just because they're so stinking cute. And I do hear good things about the Tony Moly brand. So it's a Petite Bunny Gloss, but look how stinking cute this is. Let me take the top off. I think. I don't want to ruin it. Oh, okay. So it comes off like this, and it's a little gloss. That's kind of cool. It doesn't come to a point. It's like just like a little flat gloss, and it rolls up. Let's do a little swatch right here. Oh, just like a touch of color, which is perfect because I love lip balms, I love glosses, and I love them when they just have a hint of color. That's my favorite. This doesn't have a scent. I mean, it kind of does. Again, it has that kind of like hotel soap scent, so not like the best kind of a scent, but this is really, really cute, and I definitely will use this. Let me read a little bit about it just so I could cover all my bases. It says Tony Moly Petite Bunny Gloss Bar. It's such a funny thing. Instead of lip balm, it's called a gloss bar. So the Petite Bunny Gloss Bar is one of Tony Moly's most popular products of all times. Not only are they super cute, these gloss bars are also very moisturizing and come in cute, natural sheer colors with a glossy finish. Did you notice that all the bunnies have different facial expressions? Which one did you get? Oh yeah, mine is a little bit of a mad facial expression. That's too cute. I still really, really love it. So the tip says use it on top of a matte lipstick to create a different effect. It's cute and moisturizing. So that was it for my box. Lots of really fun, cute stuff. Definitely not something that I would think to grab any of these items necessarily maybe on my own, but really, really fun to receive in a box. Now, as far as like the $35 price tag, if that's something that's worth it to you, I don't really know. I do feel like that is quite a bit of money, and I don't know really what the retail value of any of these things are, so I can't say what the value of the box is, but we did get a lot of really fun products, and so I'm really, really excited about it. I'm glad I got this box to try. And yeah, if you're interested, definitely check the description box for more information if this is something you might be into checking out or getting as a subscription box. I definitely had fun opening it this month, but yeah, if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, but with all that being said, I just want to thank you so, so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes. Mwah!